Hello people, today I wanted to show you how you can adjust gizmo in Autodesk Maya. And you know, when you press button insert on your keyboard, this icon changes. Gizmo has got additional settings. Let me to zoom in a little bit. I could actually make it bigger. Now you can, sorry forgive me, this is a little bit too small. You can adjust the position of gizmo, how you want your object to move. When you press again insert, now you can have gizmo like that. When you hit insert, you can also press V and you can snap your gizmo to polygon points. This can be useful, especially when you model shapes like that. Nose or whatever. Sometimes it's hard to manipulate depending what type of polygon you have. Wait a minute. Now you can do that in edit mode as well. When you press insert on your keyboard. So gizmo will be following direction and it will be easier for you to model polygons. When you press insert on your keyboard and you can manipulate the gizmo, by pressing V you can snap gizmo to polygon points. I hope you like my video tutorial, but don't forget to press insert once again for it you can use gizmo and you don't transform gizmo. You don't move gizmo anymore, but only polygon.